In today's video, let's talk about how to fix OVO login problem in Indonesia. Now there can be quite a few reasons why this may be happening. The first thing that you need to do or ensure is that you have disabled any sort of VPNs that you might be connected to, and you can also try switching from your Wi-Fi to your cellular data or vice versa to check if it is the network that is causing this issue. Now if none of these solutions are working out for you, or if none of these are your cases, you also need to ensure that the format of the phone number that you're entering are correct. Now apart from this, what you can also try out is try to clear out or wipe out the corrupted local cache. Simply tap and hold the app, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and cache, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache as well as clear storage. Make sure you tap on this option. Once you complete this step, try to see if you can now log in. Alongside that, what you'll also need to ensure is that the date and time settings within your device is set to automatic. So simply head over to your device and head over to the date and time settings and make sure that it is set to automatic. Now if none of these solutions are still working out, this is likely happening due to you entering in the wrong pin a couple of times. So in this situation, what you need to do is simply unlock or reset your code in this situation so that you can enter in the new pin so that you can log into your account. So that's the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.